Hey everybody, it's Thomas with Get Out Arizona, and yes, once again we're coming to you with another great episode of Garage Talk live here at NAB 2026. We are at the YC Onion booth, okay? And you might be asking, Thomas, why at YC Onion? Well, Reed is actually using the YC Onion Monopod, and I've actually been using the YC Onion Monopod for a couple years now, thanks to Gerald Undone and his review of their product. And I couldn't be happier with it. As far as a monopod goes, easy use, versatility, and I apologize for all the background noise. We are at NAB as far as that goes. It's been great. Now, here in 2026, one of the first booths we came across yesterday was YC Onion, and they have a dolly, which I'm gonna grab here really quick, okay? Now, look how easy this sucker sets up. Boom, boom, boom. Now this is a dolly for the monopod. You got your wrench right in there. And now, instead of me or Reed having to carry that monopod around, we're just rolling it in a dolly. And the wheels have brakes, okay? I saw this and I was like, you know what? I should have thought of that. Why? Because all the tripods we have are on dollies. So this just makes sense. Now, along with that dolly, they have the new clutch system for the monopod itself. Fantastic. And they have accessory ports, okay? They have a NATO rail right here. They have quarter 20, so now we can put a friction arm. We can mount the screen off to the side. We have the quick release button for the mount. Down here, it's a quick release and it pops off. Everything about their system is modular and it just works. They have a ton of accessories, okay, which is gonna be really, really cool to show you all those. And I'm gonna go ahead and get this one. So, I won't say spoiler alert or anything like that. On Wednesday, we'll come back, bring a little bit of money, and we're gonna go ahead and purchase one of these and the dolly. So going forward, where we're still staying with YC Onion, we're just gonna have their newer updated gear, and here in probably 4 or 5 months, we'll do a long-term review. When we get back to Phoenix, we'll do an initial thoughts and impressionation in the studio, but then after a few months of usage, we'll do a long-term review. What we like, what we don't like, and since at Photo Forum we're not a YC Onion retailer, we'll have a link down below for you guys to follow and make a purchase. Now, I'm not sponsored by YC Onion. I get nothing from them, no commission, no affiliate, nothing like that. But I always tell you guys it's nice when it happens, but it's not always what drives us. We love using quality products. Why? Because it makes our job easier. And we love telling you about those quality products because we know it will also make your job easier too. So all the way around, it's a win-win. And for some of you guys who are like, oh, cool monopod, look, you can go up and down and everything. What else do they make? Well, Reed will follow me back here. They also make a full line of cinema sticks, cinema heads, okay? So we could see that. We got the mid-spread. Seriously, guys. A couple years ago when Gerald did his review and was talking about YC Onion and said they were an up-and-coming company, I went based on him, okay? And it's nice to see here a few years later all the different accessories that they have, ball heads here for all their different products. And guys, when you pick this up, you're like, holy smokes, that's metal. This is solid aluminum metal, okay? Which one makes it lightweight, but two makes it durable. You can see that gnarling on there, feels good in the hand, so smooth. So whether you're shooting on a full cinema rig, okay, in the studio, kitted out, it's 30 plus pounds, it would break your back. Whether you're shooting on something like we are today, we got the FX3, we got the Cineback, we got some G-Master glass, okay, and we're using the monopod. Or let's say you're traveling and you're gonna use your phone with a beast cage and a fluid head and a smaller travel tripod. YC Onion's got you covered. So If you have any questions about any of the gear that you see behind me or any of the couple items I've talked about, make sure to ask those down below in the comments. Now, if I can't answer that question directly, I will reach out to Josie, okay? I got her card, I got her email, and I'll get the answer directly for her, but I will also have a link specifically to YC Onion, so you can find additional information there. So, again, my friends, you're looking at it. You know, we always talk about kit and having the right tool for the right job. This right here is gonna make our lives a whole lot easier. Now, I do wanna give a shout out to Mofage. They got the arm right here. The one I'm getting is polished because it's super sexy, like seriously. I would buy one here at NAB, but unfortunately they're not here. But again, user-friendly, easy to use. You can see the DJI gimbal on there. It's gonna support the weight. You know, what else is there to say? Except, remember, be kind to yourself and others, be amazing stewards out on that trail, and we have to ask, what are you waiting for? Get out, Arizona. My friends, we'll see you on that next adventure. Take care, everybody.